We have to understand that a mufti, there are different types of mufti, or some people say there are different types of mujtahid. You can be a mujtahid in a mas'ala, in one issue. You can be a mujtahid in a whole bab, maybe the whole book of Tahara, or even just the book of wudu, or you can be in the book of Salah, or in just a mujtahid just in the issues of ibadah. You understand? You can be a mujtahid when it comes to a particular madhab, or the statements of a particular group of scholars from a particular madhab. Or you can be a mufti, what they call a mujtahid mutlaq, where regardless of what it comes with, you can make ijtihad on that issue. You understand? So it's not that a specific type of person is going to be a mujtahid or a mufti. That's not the situation. The situation is at the lowest, at the ground level, a person, how can I put it even better? The asl is that a person is not mujtahid until he reaches a certain level, regardless of whether it's in an issue, in a couple of issues, in a bab, or all the way across the board, in a madhab or all the way across the board. It doesn't matter. The issue is the asl that an individual is not mujtahid until they reach certain conditions.